Hello, guess who's back after such a long break? And it's been long, blurry months for me, and I'll tell you what's been up. So, I used to come here every week and tell stories, and I suddenly stopped because I was confused. Now, what was I confused about, you may ask? I was confused about what am I doing? What are the kind of stories I want to tell? Is it important to live in a particular city for that? Should I follow other people's steps? Other people have more specialized education which I don't have. I see people taking certain steps for their career and I feel, should I do that? Should I do this? Are people around me at peace with what they make and I am not? Where is my peace? Why am I so confused? What am I waiting for to tell the stories I want to tell? What is the gear I'm waiting for? Why do I leave things in between while telling my stories? I need money to tell the stories. I need to tell stories to earn that money. What kind of a person am I anyways? Am I this person or am I that person? The conclusion of all these thoughts is that the main source of my confusion is my inconsistency. You know how you have to convince yourself that you can do what you want by proving little things to yourself every single day? When I lose consistency, that is a belief I lose on myself. I start to feel that I clearly cannot achieve what I want because I don't even bother to stick with it. Which is not exactly true. I want to do things, but I just keep losing focus. So it's a time when I'm really struggling with my identity, and being consistent with creating something or with a particular activity really helps me, match my identity with my label. Inconsistency is something that I have dealt with almost all of my life. But this time, while I was off YouTube, I really thought that I have to fix this. This time, I truly, deeply understood the meaning of the phrase, repetition is more important than perfection. I just have to write more and shoot more and edit more to make better things rather than wait for better technology, more money and gears and lights, etc. etc. While I was making these videos every week, there was a natural momentum that used to kick in because I was doing this day in and day out. So it didn't matter how much work I had or how busy I got or where I was traveling, I still did it. It surprises me how easy and smooth things become when you're just consistent, because you don't always have to put in a lot of effort into something. You just have to show up. So I recently read Atomic Habits by James Clear because everybody around me was talking about this book and I wanted to know what everybody's talking about. I am not a person who really reads productivity or self-help books, but I still did it. So 2 things which the author said which will really stay with me. Number 1 is that missing a habit once is an accident, but missing it twice is a start of new habit. So very often we fall into this all or nothing cycle with our habits. We feel that if you're not doing something perfectly, we just shouldn't do it at all. You don't realize how valuable it is to just show up on your bad/busy days. Number 2 is that the only way to become excellent is to be endlessly fascinated by doing the same thing over and over again. You have to fall in love with boredom. So basically, whether your life is going to improve or decline 5 to 10 years from now totally depends on how much consistency you're bringing in your everyday life and whether you're sticking to it. So I have to always remember that long-term consistency beats short-term intensity. So here I am again trying to stick to things, and I'm planning to do some new things for my channel, so stay tuned for that. I'll let you all know. If you're new to this channel, my name is Vidhi. I come here every week to document my life while talking about mental health, filmmaking, and my thoughts in general. So consider subscribing and share it with people who you think might want to hear what I have to say. I'll see you next week.